What's up, guys? Today we're at the airfield with the kiddo to test the Holystone HS120D. What a mouthful. Bless you. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is here with us today.
This is Elmo.
Okay. Poor Popeye is just waiting for his evening walk back at the house, battening down the hatches for the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Guys, I am very proud to be able to say we have close to 1,500 videos of RC content, all of which are very family friendly. Not a decision that we made halfway through the process, but from day one. And today we're going to bring another one of those videos to you. Just because it's family friendly doesn't mean we're not brutally honest. Keep that in mind as you watch this video, because we have with us this $170 GPS drone that you can find on Amazon, linked in the description box below, by Holystone. They tend to be a pretty good company. They put out decent stuff that we generally like, but at the end of it all, say it's just priced a little high. Pros and cons. This is a brushed motor GPS drone that hits that price point, so what else would it have going on for it that would make it cost so much, knowing that these motors are brushed and geared? Well, we're going to find out as we fly this. Hopefully it has some amazing bells and whistles to let us know why they put such a high price point on this. Should have a long flight time too. It's supposed to get a 16-minute flight time. So let's see how this does in the air. I'm very interested to see camera quality, all that. So let's do it. You guys are going to love this. I just want to make sure the mic is on because I don't want you to miss this. Oh yeah, mic is on. Okay. At this point in the video, why would there already be beeping? If you guys, okay, let's take off. I pressed the auto takeoff button, but I think we have to start the motors down and in, and then auto takeoff.
Yep.
Okay, I gotta say this before I address the beeping. The calibration process on this drone was actually amazing. So we just tested a $500 drone yesterday, which I'm going to tell you guys a secret. That was today. Movie magic here, YouTube movie magic. Just so it's fresh on my mind, and how frustrating that was to calibrate the Xiaomi Fimi X8 SE that actually didn't work. And then I come out here with I want to call this a hobby grade, toy grade drone, because that's what this is. The drone we're testing now. And the first time we tried to calibrate it, you know, it's kind of an off the beaten path kind of calibration. We had to follow the instructions to do it. Pink lights and blue lights, follow the lights. But you know what? It worked. Yep. And it worked perfectly the first time.
It's amazing. I can't believe it worked.
So why can't the $500 drone do that too? You tell me. Because that was the only hiccup I had with the Fimi X8 SE. So now let's focus on this drone. The beeping that you're hearing, anyone got any guesses? Go ahead, pause the video if you've made it this far. That beeping is not a low battery warning. That's not headless mode. That's the fact that we're recording. We are recording to the micro SD card and we're getting that beep. That is horrible. Horrible. Okay, so actually what we got to do here just for a second, I want to do everyone a favor. I'm going to land the drone, I'm going to stop the recording, and we're just going to rely on the screen recording because you've gotten the video sample. Abby's got to change her DSLR battery anyway, so we're going to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to stop this awful beeping. Auto land. I'm going to press the button. And then Abby's going to swap out her battery, and we're never going to press this button again, ever, for any reason. Auto land is actually really good. Good job, little drone. I like that. Okay, beeping. Go away. Jeez. Let's try this again. And I noticed when we landed, the app froze.
Yeah.
So we had to reset the app. And poor little Amelia's awake, so she's eating behind us for this video. All right, we're back in the air. I'll just get out of the shade there. And let's just hope, oh, look at that. The app is frozen, Abby, on your phone. That's twice now. Well, I think what we're gonna do, we can't just scratch that completely.
It's freezing my whole phone.
Yeah, wow. What a shame. Here's what I wanna do. I'm gonna give Amelia her bottle. Let's see if I can hit record on, let's not do the screen recording. Okay. And let's see if maybe it'll save to the card. Let's try that. Gotta get you guys something.
But it's gonna beep the whole time, right?
Oh, yeah, well, let's just see. See what happens. Okay, you're back on FPV. What happens is there a record option in the app?
I haven't been able to find it.
Well, that's awful. Let me play around since you're recording it. Guys, this drone, I was worried about this because let's look at the facts. This is $170. You might catch it on sale. And it is a brushed motor drone. Photos, video?
No, that's just going to be your
yeah, the
stuff.
album.
It's going to be in here. I don't know why you took it from me like you knew how to do it. I know how to do these things. Yeah, it only pops up. Hit record on the transit.
Alright, so let's do that. Just hit the button. I did hit it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it longer.
Yeah, see, and now
it shows it.
All the stuff just randomly pops up.
Ah.
Well, I'm going to hit stop recording.
From the app?
Yep. But that's still beeping.
It is still beeping. Ooh, that's awful.
Unclick that.
Unclicked.
Okay, now the stuff's still up here.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to hit record.
Okay. Okay.
It's flashing.
Alright, well let's hope they have something. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to make this a fairly quick video because I think the conclusion is going to be pretty easy. Let's fly it a little bit and see how it just likes to fly because all we've done so far is pretty much hover. It cruises around okay, and you know what? It looks a lot like a Phantom. They're just going for a Phantom look. There's Amelia. She says, "That's not a Phantom!" And look at that. Screen recording or FPV feed. It's not a screen recording anymore. Your FPV feed, I've stopped moving and it is like...
It's just trash.
It's like 10 seconds behind.
Yeah, it's terrible.
And now it's finally caught up. Oh, that is horrible. Guys, we've seen like $30 drones have better FPV feeds. Here's what happens with Holystone. They put out a drone in a pretty good package that is a little overpriced most of the time. Now look at this. Now we're getting some toilet bowling with no wind. Now
yeah,
this might be the worst drone they've ever put out. And I always catch flack when I say that about Holystone stuff. There is a group out there that just loves Holystone for everything that they are and everything that they aren't. It's like they've never heard of other drone companies before. If you guys are part of that Holystone group and you're watching now, I am so sorry. I just have to be honest with everybody else watching. I want Holystone to do so well. They've been around so long and they've been a part of our channel since almost the beginning. I really want them to do well, but guys, I cannot recommend a brushed motor. Even Amelia says, "Dad, don't tell them to buy this." It's got brushed motors. It's 170 bucks. Yes, it's a GPS drone. I sure would like to test maybe like follow me really fast. Let's hit that in the app. Can it follow me?
Probably not. You think it can follow you?
Let's just do follow me, slide to confirm. I'm going to give it a shot.
Yeah.
The toilet bowl is going crazy. I did slide to confirm. Let's see if it can follow me in any way.
It's trying to follow you while toilet bowling?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This did calibrate correctly and easily. All the lights did what the instruction manual said they were supposed to do. It's just really disappointing when we see these overpriced drones just perform so terribly. It's not following him, it's only toilet bowling. Man, we used to love Holystone. They used to put out some really good products. But lately, it's just not cutting it. I would expect something like $40, $50 that claims to have a GPS to do this. That would be understandable.
Maybe even 60 bucks. Oh, poor kiddo.
Amelia has been working on feeding herself, and it's been a little bit of a challenge.
Oh,
for her,
but she just drops it.
She's doing so good.
Well, you guys don't have any video or anything. You just got what we've got going on here, so I'm going to close the app because I stopped the recording out there. I'll be amazed if anything's saved for you. I'm just going to land this because the toilet bowl is bad. The brushed motors for that price point is bad. It's supposed to have camera tilt, but guys, there's like 100 other drones on the market for that.
At this price point, they're way better.
Yes.
Remember that Epic drone?
Yes, the JJRC
Guys,
JJ
go
Pro.
Watch that video. We'll have it linked at the end
of this
on their little cartoon. That's the video you need to go look at if you're looking at a drone in this price point.
Less money, better drone. But normally this is the time of the video that if I like the drone, I would say a few good things and then we'd go take a look at the box to show you everything that comes in the box. And most of the time Holystone is great about that. They tend to a lot of times give you extra bells and whistles, and they did on this one. They give you extra landing gear, extra props. It even comes with a memory card and a flight log book, which is really fun. But if I'm not going to recommend the drone, what's the point? There are many reasons not to recommend this drone. Guys, it's $170. Our expectations should be around brushless motors, an app that works, a decently long flight time of at least over 10 minutes. And this one hits some of those nails on the head, but not enough of them. It just gets about the flight time. Everything else is total trash. I'm so sorry, Holystone, because I've been pulling for you guys since the beginning, and you do have good products, if you're watching, that is. The thing about Holystone is they're on Amazon. Some of you watching don't like to buy overseas for a couple reasons. Maybe you got burnt on a bad order. Maybe you had a hard return process. We've had that at Walmart, but maybe you had that at Banggood and you just don't like that anymore. And you only prefer to buy on Amazon because you have an Amazon shopping card, a credit card or something. And Amazon has next day delivery if you're an Amazon Prime member. And so you don't mind paying about a 30% markup value for Holystone products. If that's you, I feel so sorry for you because you're missing out on so many good products right now. If you're exclusively buying Holystone, I would encourage you to try shopping elsewhere to other recommendations that we have. I want to wait for this four-wheeler to go by. You're okay.
He said sorry.
Yeah.
That's a first.
Yeah. Well, I like that guy. I want to give him this drone. Well, no, wait, I'd give him something else. I'd give him anything else. He said sorry driving by. I really like that. I have no idea who that was. Four-wheeler. Okay, well now I'm in a really, really good mood. I just, the short of it is don't buy this drone. Oh, but man, that just, I don't like saying that because I want Holystone to do good. They've established themselves. They're a good company, so don't take this the wrong way. They have some good stuff out there.
Maybe we'll card one of our favorites right there.
Yeah, they've,
How about that?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Holystone. I really am. I really am. Don't buy this though. If you like your money and you like getting stuff that works, just don't buy it. Oh.
Go watch the epic drone, TheRcSaylors
Yes.
epic at the end of this video. You can thank us for that later.
Also, there's another one I'll probably have carded through the video. It was a more recent folding arm drone with brushless motors, GPS. You remember that? It's really good. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like the fact that we save you money, that we're honest, we're wholesome, family friendly, and have a lot of good RC fun, even with the crying baby in the background, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel. I cannot wait to talk to you in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.